Have you ever noticed how some emails land straight in your inbox while others end up lost in spam? What if you had the power to control that? Hello, I'm Jake from Woodpecker. Today we're diving into the crucial world of email security. We'll explore SPF, DKIM and DMARC, three powerful solutions that increase your sender safety and deliverability. Ready to get started? Let's go. First up, let's unpack SPF and see how it protects your emails right from the start. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, is essentially a list in your DNS that tells the world which mail servers are authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain. This way you're protected from being used to send spam. When you send an email, the recipient server looks up this list. If your server is on it, your email passes the SPF check. Simple as that. But what happens if the check fails? Well, your email could be rejected or marked as spam, which can really hurt your domain's reputation. But that's how spam filters differentiate legit senders from some shady actors. So, in a nutshell, SPF works to the benefit of us all, improving the worldwide quality of email exchange. SPF is probably the easiest thing to set up out of all three, but if you need some help with that, check the guide I made some time ago. Now that you understand SPF, let's add another layer of security with DKIM. DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. It gives your emails a unique digital signature that verifies they haven't been altered in transit. Each email you send includes this signature. When it arrives, the recipient checks the signature using a public key that you've made available in your DNS. If it matches, your email is verified. This encrypted signature, or rather a pair of keys, public and private, work as a validation mechanism of your domain, so allowing you to safely deliver messages to your recipients. Without a valid DKIM signature, emails are more likely to be viewed as tampered or even fraudulent. So, getting this right is key to ensuring they reach the inbox. DKIM requires you to generate a DKIM key, and that might be a slight challenge, but fear not, we got it covered as well. Check this video to set it up or review the articles where we cover DKIM setup for different domain providers. With SPF and DKIM covered, it's time to see how DMARC ties everything together for ultimate protection. DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance. It uses SPF and DKIM to make decisions about emails that don't quite line up. Your DMARC policy tells recipient servers what to do with emails that fail SPF or DKIM checks. It can instruct them to do nothing, quarantine the message, or even reject it outright. What's also super cool here is that DMARC can provide you with detailed reports on your email performance, so how many emails were rejected or quarantined, etc. All you need to do is include your chosen email address as a receiving end for such reports, and that's it. This control means better security and improved deliverability, keeping your brand safe and your messages in the right hands. DMARC can be set fairly easy, but in order to have it, you need to set SPF or DKIM first, or both. DMARC is based on the results from one of those two. We have a great step-by-step guide, so feel free to check it. Implementing SPF, DKIM and DMARC not only protects against spoofing, but also significantly boosts your email deliverability. By ensuring your emails are seen as legitimate, you build a solid reputation with email providers, which leads to better engagement from your audience. Is it still relevant in 2025? Yes, by all means. It's still an important aspect of your outreach. It's a foundation you simply cannot afford to skip. So today we've explored how SPF, DKIM and DMARC safeguard your emails and ensure they reach their destination securely. Remember, good email security is essential for protecting your domain and maintaining trust with your recipients. Don't forget that. Even though the records might not be the easiest to set, we are here to help you. Or if you want to have it all done for you, consider purchasing domains straight from Mail.so in Woodpecker. This way, you have all your records in place, no need to worry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights and tips. Stay secure and stay connected.